Namaste. Subject CA exam stands for Chartered Accounts exam. Paper 3 Business Mathematics, Logical Reasoning and Statistics. One paper, 2 hours, 100 marks. Chapter 1 Ratio and Proportion, Indices, Logarithms. Paduka's MCQ Bank for CA CPT. Ratios, Basics. Quantitative aptitude ratios. Question number 7. 4 to the power of 2.5 is to 2 power of 3 is the same as. So 4 to the power of 2.5 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು 2 to the power of 2 ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೋದು. 2 to the power of 2 is 4. Okay, so this is 2.5 equal is to ಅಂತ ಇದೆ, is to 2 power of 3. So 2 as it is ಹಾಗೆ ಬರೆಯೋಣ. 2.5 into 2 is 5 is to 2 cube. So 2 power of 5 is 32 is to 2 power of 3 is 8. 32 is to 8 is 8 4s are 32, 8 1s are 8. Okay, 4 is to 1. So option A is the correct answer. Okay, thank you so much.